If you get on the elliptical every time you go to the gym, you do 30 minutes on the elliptical and then you do a little strength training, that's great. But if you always do it, maybe you need to try something different. Take a Zumba class, try some CrossFit. Have you been working out for a very long time and then you've hit this plateau and you want to lose more weight? I mean, I think that happens to a lot of us, and there's a couple of things to consider here. It's normal if you're losing weight for your body to plateau for a little while. That's when your body is saying, okay, wait a minute, what's going on? Am I okay? Why am I losing weight? You know, is there still food in the world for me to eat? Am I healthy? And it's okay, so don't freak out about it. Sometimes when we hit a plateau, we've let some extra calories start sneaking back in, and this is when going back to keeping your food record or your food diary will be helpful. You can also then look at your workout. If you've been doing the same workout for months and months, even years, it's time to mix it up a little bit. Maybe do something different. If you get on the elliptical every time you go to the gym, you do 30 minutes on the elliptical and then you do a little strength training, that's great. But if you always do it, maybe you need to try something different. Take a Zumba class, try some CrossFit, go for a run or a walk instead. Mixing it up not only helps you stay motivated, it also makes your body work a little harder and you'll burn a few more calories. Also, another great way to ramp up your workout is interval training. And that means working at a moderate pace and then ramping it up for a minute or two. Really hard, like running, and then go back to a slight jog or a walk. So interval training can be very helpful in burning those calories and increasing your aerobic fitness level.